Ever pondered the journey of toilet paper before it reaches your home? It's an amusing thought, isn't it? But this humble roll holds a pivotal role in our everyday lives. It's there when we rise and shine, and it's there when we call it a day. So it's only fair that we shed some light on its intriguing journey. From a simple idea to a necessity, the tale of toilet paper is quite the roller coaster. Now, prepare to unravel the process of making toilet paper. It all starts with trees, but not just any trees. Remarkably, the journey of a humble toilet paper roll begins in a forest, with the harvesting of two types of trees. First, we have softwood trees like pines and firs, valued for their long fibers that give the toilet paper strength. Then we have hardwood trees, including oaks and maples. These contribute shorter fibers for softness, ensuring a balance between durability and comfort. Now, the trees aren't just chopped and magically turned into toilet paper. No, there's a crucial process called debarking, where the bark is stripped away, leaving only the useful wood behind. This wood is then chipped into small pieces, each no bigger than your thumbnail. These small pieces, or wood chips, are the first step in the journey of making toilet paper. Imagine from towering trees to tiny chips, all to ensure your comfort in the smallest room of your house. Next comes the pulping process, a vital step in creating the soft paper we know and love. Picture this: our wood chips, sourced from the raw material, are plunged into a heated bath of chemicals. This concoction creates a reaction that breaks the wood down into fibers. The result? A slurry, a soup-like mixture of water and wood fibers. Now, this slurry isn't quite ready to become toilet paper just yet. It needs a bit of a cleanup. The mixture is filtered, removing any unwanted elements and leaving us with pure pulp. But there's still more to be done. To achieve that pristine white that we associate with toilet paper, the pulp undergoes a bleaching process. It's here that the pulp is transformed, losing its natural color and adopting a brilliant white. This bleached pulp is now ready to be transformed into fine toilet paper. The journey from tree to toilet paper continues, and it's about to get even more interesting. Now we've reached the exciting part, the actual making of the paper. Imagine a vast sea of pulp, churning and swirling, waiting to be transformed. Our pulp, now a soupy mixture, is sent coursing through a series of pipes, finally ending up on a wide mesh conveyor belt. This is where the magic happens. As the pulp travels along, water drains away through the mesh, leaving behind a thin, fragile layer of intertwined fibers. It's the birth of a new sheet of paper, delicate as a butterfly's wings. But it's not done yet. This newborn paper sheet is then promptly sent through heated drying cylinders. The heat evaporates the remaining moisture, and what was once a fragile layer becomes a robust sheet of paper. It's a bit like a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly, except in this case the butterfly is, well, a sheet of paper. Now, we can't forget about the softness, can we? The dried paper is then embossed, creating those tiny little bumps we're all familiar with. This not only makes the paper softer to the touch, but also increases its bulk and absorbency. It's like giving the paper a mini massage before its final journey. Finally, the paper is wound into long, gigantic rolls, each one containing miles and miles of future toilet paper. It's like rolling out the red carpet, except it's white, and it's for your bathroom. But we're not finished yet. These long rolls still have a long way to go. Finally, we're at the last leg of our toilet paper's journey. Now, you might think that we've got ourselves a huge roll of toilet paper, and you'd be right. But it's not quite ready for your bathroom just yet. These giant rolls are first cut down to size. Imagine a very precise baker slicing a loaf of bread. It's the same concept, but with a touch of industrial finesse. Each slice becomes a roll of toilet paper, standard size, perfect for your home. Once we have our rolls, it's time for packaging. Each roll gets wrapped up nice and neat, ready for their journey to your home. They're then bundled together into packs, loaded onto pallets, and prepared for shipment. This is an intricate dance of machinery and human precision, all to ensure that when you reach for that roll, it's there, perfectly formed and ready for use. And there you have it. From tree to toilet paper roll, a journey of transformation.